Hi everybody, we're going to go ahead and install the Medit Model Builder application into our Medit Link software. To do that, we're going to click on the app box icon right here on the left side. Once we click here on the left, we're going to go ahead and click on the install icon right here. Look for Medit Model Builder and then go ahead and click install. And then it's going to ask you to install the Medit Model Builder. You're going to want to hit yes. After you hit yes, you're going to go through the various prompts. It's going to download the file. You're going to see the download progress here, and eventually some boxes will come through. Hit yes, check agree to the license terms, and then hit install. Once you've installed it, you're going to see a little icon appear in your case icons. We're going to wait for this to finish. And now we're going to go ahead and click on our case box. And we're going to go ahead and pick a case. Let's pick this case here. And you'll see here there's an icon here for Medit Model Builder. That's how we know it's installed, and clicking it will open the Model Builder application.